Hi, I'm Paul from Velo Works, and today is full service day in the workshop. I'm going to take you through what I'm going to do to this Pinarello Paris to make it sweet for the season ahead. So here at Velo Works we have two service options, tune-up and a full service. Today this is going to have a full service, and I'll take you through the steps that I'm going to do to get this bike nice and sweet. So a lot of places offer 3 levels of service. It could be a bronze, silver or gold, tune-up, full service, premium service. Why do we only do 2? Well, in our experience, I've been a bike mechanic for 16 years. The 2 services offer the best comprehensive care for our customers. So a tune-up is for bikes with light use or bikes with heavier use, but in between having a full service. So what we do for a full service is we fully strip the bike down, fully guarantee our work. So therefore we don't really need to offer a premium service. When we did initially, when I had an old business offer a premium service, there wasn't any benefit to the customer really, because it was only like a couple of extra things that we did. So we've just made our full service really comprehensive. There are some people out there that do services for like £39. They will remain nameless. I'm pretty sure they don't do what we do, but for the customers, it's very much full service and full service. What would I choose? But really, wherever bike shop you use, you want to dig into actually what are they doing and what do you need for your bike. So all of our bikes are fully serviced once a year, and our customers' bikes who use their bikes regularly, they're fully serviced once a year. And our servicing procedure means that they have less problems over the course of the year because the bikes are done just nicely. So enough waffle, let me chat to you about this bike. So what we're going to do to this bike is we're going to fully strip it down. We're going to service the wheels. There's quite a bit of play in this hunt wheel at the rear, so we're going to have to get to the bottom of that and see what's going on. We're going to check the braking system. I don't believe it needs bleeding at this point. We're going to service the headset, take off the cranks, give the frame a whole clean, all the components are clean, and then set it all back up using things like fiber grip in here. So it's like a grease with little bits of glass in it, which is good, which means you don't have to clamp up carbon as tight. So all the specific stuff we're going to use. Come join me in the workshop. Let's get servicing. First step, removing the wheels, servicing them, cleaning them, and pumping up the tyres. Wheel service, tyres pumped, cassette degreased. Now it's time to remove the cranks. So the frame's mostly stripped, cleaned all the components, time to do the headset and then reassemble the bike. So that's the full service complete and all the steps that we've gone through. Bike like this, I mean, it did really need a service. There were lots of bolts. All the gear bolts were not torqued up. Bits of headset and everything just needed a nice clean and a bit of love. So it's all ready to go, really. Everything spins nicely. A couple of questions for the customers. One of the shifters is a little bit bent inward, so I need to talk to them about that. It's probably been knocked, but some people will have the shifters in different positions just because of their hands or maybe an injury or everything. So I want to check with him first before that. And then the rear rotor is close to its limits. It should be 1.63 or over 1.63 mil, and it's a bit close. So I'm going to see if they want to have that changed. There is a bit of life in it, so it's not desperate, but that's something that could be done now for kind of minimal. There won't be any labor charge, so it's probably worth doing now, but we'll see what the customer wants. So yeah, next stage, email customer, test ride the bike, and then drop it back. So full service from us is £105. A tune-up is £50, and it's a really good option just to get you going for the season. If you use your bike regularly or you want to get your bike ready for the season, full service is a really good option. All of our work's guaranteed. I think we offer a 3-month guarantee on a full service, but really, you know, any conversation with customers, if there's an issue after a full service, which there rarely is, you know, we're straight back out to look at the issue and work through the problems. But yeah, for now, this bike's ready to go. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments.